Dank gloom for most of us through the next 24 hours, but during the second half of the week, a change on the way. That change is going to be brought about by this weather front here. It's going to be bringing some rain, sleet and snow southwards with it, but it will also bring clearer air. But of course, clearer skies at this time of year will lead to widespread frost. Now that cold air coming down from the North Pole, you can see a change in wind direction here. Some fairly strong north to northeasterly winds setting in behind that particular weather front. So a little bit more in the way of frost around during Wednesday night, a little bit more showing up on Thursday night, and then by Friday night a widespread frost. Now tonight, not too much in the way of frost around, but an awful lot of mist, fog, low cloud, a few spits of drizzle as well. And where the skies have been clearer today, I think mist and fog will form quite readily. Now most places temperatures staying above freezing, but over the tops of the West Country moors, up on the Welsh mountains, perhaps the higher ground of northern England and in parts of Scotland, there could well be a touch of frost around. Tomorrow morning, well, similar to yesterday morning and indeed similar to this morning. We start off with all that cloud, mist and murk. If you're really lucky or unlucky, you might see the odd snowflake in East Anglia and southeast England. There will be some brightening up through the day, the best of the brightness probably on the west side of Scotland, across in Northern Ireland and once again around the Irish Sea. But for eastern areas, I think it's going to remain rather misty and murky all day. The coldest weather in the south, the warmest weather further north. Temperatures not far off double figures up in the Outer Hebrides tomorrow afternoon. On to Thursday, and still more mist and murk over southern parts, but we start to see that band of cloud, rain, sleet and snow moving southwards with brighter weather coming along behind, but quite cold air, and that colder air will bring some hail, sleet and snow showers with it to northern areas. Into Friday, the clearer skies move further south, but over southern areas, of course, we'll have that weather front. I think we could find some fairly heavy bursts of rain down to the southwest, and over the higher ground, a little bit of sleet and snow. That's a look at our wintry weather. Good evening.